Okay, so we are looking at learning algebra with coding, and over the years I've developed this unit with a sequence of coding projects that highlight different algebraic concepts. And I've landed on a way to record student learning. So the idea is they choose a project and they're ordered from more accessible to more challenging, and that they'll choose a programming tool to complete the project in, and most will land on Scratch because it's pretty straightforward. And so rather than a real step-by-step, it's just got a very broad description of what the project needs to be. So they then go into Scratch and they create their project. Okay, so they're learning those codings, looking at variables, looking at equations, trying to make a project that is going to work. Really important that they include the instructions for the project and that they have it tested by someone else before they submit it. So let's see if this one does work. Green flag to go. And there we go. That achieves that project. So now what they need to do is they take a copy of that URL, and we want to gather all those projects together to get a class overview. So they can add it to this Google form. So again, it has the instructions about, there's the link to the project page. They add their name, they add their details, and they paste the link to the project that they have just completed. Now this form is set up where they can edit the responses. So each time they complete a project, they can always come back to the form and there are the links that they have previously added. Now what that looks like in a spreadsheet where the responses are collected is like this one here. So we get this lovely formatted spreadsheet. It's got a row per student, and you can see that the link has landed in the column for each of those challenges. So the teacher can go in there, click on those links, confirm whether they meet the project expectations or not, and then use a highlight color whether it doesn't meet. For red, it sort of meets, but it's got some things to do, or does meet. Now you can share this spreadsheet with the class so that they are able to view and comment, but not edit. So what this means is if you've made a comment on a student's project, needs instructions, they will be able to see that comment, and when they go through and resolve it, you can go back and check if the project actually meets those expectations. So a nice easy system of how to keep track of a number of different projects going on in your classroom, and again using this idea of coding to learn algebra concepts.